Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a date pickup block in your Shopify store. Many checkout pages contains block like this which called the date pickup block. So that in order to select some date to pick or delivery date selection, something like that. So let's create similar kind of blocks in our store too. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. I'm using Checkout extension Ninja app for this type of customization. I have downloaded this from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. After installing, you can go to the admin panel and click on Checkout Ninja and open the block section. Now you can just click on Create New Block. Now there will be some default your template available over here. You can just choose if you want. Otherwise, you can close it and click on Add Block. Now we are to select the date pickup block from here. I'm just typing date and it comes out the results as the date pickup block. And I'm clicking on Add to Checkout. Now, first thing we have to give a proper title so that we can just easily identify this from our list of blocks. So give a proper title here or the block name here. And next comes the enable conditional visibility. So if you want to give any visibility conditions like this, then you can enable this and click on the add new visibility condition. You can see multiple conditions over here. So you can select if you want. Then what happens then is like this block will be available only when the given certain condition is met. Otherwise, you can just disable this so that the block will be available always at the checkout page. And now click on the date pickup block. And first thing we have to give a label. Let's say like let's go with this. And you can click on add new item and you can just make some disable rules. So if you want to hide the dates of the dates like the day of the week, then you can go for this. Or if you want to hide any specific date, then you can go for this. So there are multiple conditions over here. Let's go with the day of the week. Then the day we can choose. So I'm choosing Sunday. So what happens is the in my calendar or in my block there won't be any Sundays as enabled to select. So all the Sundays will be disabled and the selection on the Sundays will not be possible. And we have to store the values anywhere. So I'm just adding my value to the date attribute. Yeah. So the setup is done. Now make sure that the status is active and then save it. So after saving, we will be getting some block ID here from here. So just we have to copy this and open to checkout editor page. And we have to add this block to the checkout page now. So we have to click on custom block and then checkout, add to checkout. And we have to paste our block ID over here, which we have copied earlier. Then you can see that the custom block has been created here. So go to the app section. You can just drag this block to anywhere else so that you can just be in a proper places. So I have already created one. That's why you are seeing these two. So that's how you can create a date pickup block in your checkout pages. So I'm just deleting this and I'm saving. Let's go to the checkout page now. Yeah, in my store, I'm landing on checkout page. You can see the date picker block with the Sundays as disabled. So that's how you can create a date picker block in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.